Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use separate app sounds, right? So go ahead and do a swipe up on your Samsung phone or your Android phone and tap on settings. Then click on sound and vibration from here. Scroll down to where you'll find separate app sound, and as you can see this will allow you to play media sound from one app on a different audio device, and this is very interesting. So go ahead and tap on that. And as you can see here, it gives you more information. It allows you to play media sound from apps that you selected on a separate audio devices. So all you have to do is just simply toggle it on and then click select to add those different applications. So I'm going to go ahead and select YouTube Music. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add an app as well. So I'm going to tap on add there. And let's say we choose Spotify, right? So I'm going to tap on Spotify and I'm going to simply click on those apps. So I'm going to click back now, and then for the time being, I will have the phone selected. You can also choose like a Bluetooth device. If you have a Bluetooth device, that might be useful. So you can select that. So you can choose a specific applications and then you will basically go back. Now, as you can see, for this specific one, I have YouTube Music and Spotify selected for the phone. But you can go ahead and test this out, because what you can do is that you can basically play something from YouTube or Spotify and that will play on your phone, as well as you can connect a Bluetooth device. And when you connect that Bluetooth device or a Bluetooth external speaker, you could be playing something else on that specific speaker, which you might find very useful and handy. So if you'll find this useful, go ahead and try out this tool and let me know in the comments below what do you think, if you find it useful. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to App IQ, and I'll really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.